Dear sirs, dear sir or madam, we are seeking a seasonal position for the summer vacation 2015.
Hello, my name is Natasha. I'm from Belarus. I study at the Belarusian State University of the Department of International Relations.
My name is Angelina. I'm also from Belarus and I'm a student of the two universities situated in Minsk, Belarus. One is the Belarusian State University and the second one is the French University of Bordeaux.
I have some experience in working as a hostess in the Hotel Europe Minsk. I speak the English, French and Italian languages.
As for me, I speak English, French and Russian fluently, and I have some experience in practicing German and Italian languages.
We are participating in a work and travel exchange program organized by American organization Inter-Exchange.
And this organization provides us with all the necessary documents to be eligible to work in the USA, including security social number. Having lived in France and having traveled a lot, I think that we do know how to behave ourselves with the foreigners, how to behave ourselves with the public, so I think that we could be great representatives of your business.
Thank you for your time and consideration.
So if you are searching for additional staff, seasonal staff, don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward for your answer. Bye!